Amazing gutter cleaning hack. No ladder required for two-story homes. Gutter Sense gutter cleaning tool. I purchased this from Amazon. I just attached the gutter cleaning tool to my extended pole. It reaches over 25 feet. I tied an additional rope into the gutter tool because the rope it came with is too short. Let's get started. Wow, works awesome. The only con is your neck will start hurting after a while from looking up. Awesome little tool for under $40. I'm still planning to invest in gutter guards. It cost me over $300 to get my gutters professionally done, and the last time I got them done, the guy did a half job. Actually, I was smart enough to take my cell phone, put it on a long pole, and look through the gutters, and they were filled with leaves still. Had to contact them back a second time to do the job right. So that's why I do them myself. You know the old saying, you want the job done right, then do it yourself. When I'm getting big piles of these leaves out with this thing, it is just so rewarding and satisfying. Look at all those leaves. I totally recommend this gutter tool. This is my second time purchasing it. Like I said, I purchased it from Amazon for only $35. I purchased this with my own money, and I will be sure to leave a link in the description. So if you like what you see, you can go purchase you one also. And I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe. Have a very blessed day. God bless you all. Bye.